top 3 trending technologies to look for in 2022. Number 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is the future, as you all know, and it is going to create 2.2 million jobs by coming 2022. And a recent survey done where it suggested AI and machine learning is going to be accountable for 9% of technical jobs by coming 2025. Second we have is blockchain. Blockchain technology, digital assets and NFTs are going to transform our world. And this technology will advance in 2022. A recent survey was done where it suggested that global spending on blockchain is going to reach $11.7 billion by the end of 2022. The third one we have is cybersecurity. As you all know, everything nowadays is going online. Everyone works online, all the documents, everything is going online. So, which increases the risk of cyber crimes. Therefore, cybersecurity professionals are individuals who identify threats in the system and they implement high-tech solutions to defend all types of cybercrime. So this is all for today. Keep on supporting and don't forget to follow W3grads and our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.